the song come out and she have remorse. So she felt nasty. I'm a son of beat up the woman. And morals don't have no morality.
Unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth, unstoppable youth.
Alright, what go on, family? So, with all of the mix up and the drama and the controversy we are going in the dancehall space as it pertains to the females, right? It all got started simply because Shenseea came out with her song the other day when named Lick, right? And the song no really suitable to a lot of people. Minister Hall, aka Lady Sir, spoke out and she said, yo, the female in the dancehall need to change up them thing. And it got a lot of other people come out and start to address it as well. Now, Carlos is saying, yo, what Minister Hall is saying, she right, nothing wrong because, yo, dancehall need to clean up. You understand the slackness, the nonsense where they must sing, the nastiness where they must sing, and all the gun lyrics. Carlos addressed all of that. I may agree with Carlos. I don't agree with Minister Hall 100%. This is just my personal opinion. I know me and Carlos, we're cool. But these are just my personal take. Reason behind that is this. Yes, she may be right about the way how the ladies are carrying on in the music and the slackness and the nastiness and all of that, right? However, the part I mean I agree with is when she address Spice. To me, that sound like an attack on Spice. That sound like she try to throw a word on Spice, which is not fitting to what is considered to be a Christian in my opinion. That sound like she throw a word on Spice when she said things like Spice, you know, look good. Spice tear down like all tree. Things like that. I didn't see and still not understand why things like that needed to be mentioned. And the whole weak thing. That did not sound like a ceremony, in my opinion. Me don't know if me wrong or not tell me say me wrong, if me right or not tell me say me right. But that did not sound like a ceremony. That did not sound like she was trying to win souls. That did not sound like she was trying to influence the ladies to do better. That sounded like it was a tear-down type thing. The way in which she addressed Spice was totally different from the way in which she addressed Shenseea. If you don't listen to the clip good, she said, Shenseea, me love you. Shenseea, you're pretty. Shenseea, your band look good. Spice, you don't look good. You wanna get to me I come from? Just think about it. You know, and as a minister, I felt it could have been done in a little better manner. But anyway, Carlos is saying here that, yo, the ladies in a dancehall has no morals, is what Carlos is saying. So come we go listen to what Carlos have to say.
Have a big up Lady Sir. Me have a big up Lady Sir. Marian Hall. Big up Lady Sir. To God be the glory, sister. Somebody have to say it. The lady is filled with remorse. And she coming out and she saying the things. Sometimes people don't have to hear it, you know, people. You don't have to be no Christian, no Rasta, no Muslim, no Hindu, or none of that for no righteousness. Right is right and wrong is wrong. You don't have to be no Christian and go to church for no righteousness, people. Immorality is plaguing Jamaica. Immorality is plaguing us. Nobody have no morals again. Anything nice and decent and neat and sweet and peaceful and joyous, happy. People don't want that. That's morality. Dress good and, you know, be discreet with the sexual life and, you know, lock up your leg and don't show your butt. That's morality. That not sell at Jamaica. And that them say, boofer. But anything for dash away. And I say, hey, see in between my leg here, look how my body shake. Come wind up and grind up and bump and grind. Let me tell the people from there, they want to do a video, you know, about we artists them at Jamaica. Because you know me always come out and me talk about gun music and gun music is wrong. But people, let me tell you something, man. There's a thing called trend. And there they do a video, I say trend. Artists set the trend. Celebrities set the trend. Everybody knows so them set the trend. The white man they know so them set the trend. But let me tell you something about going in the black community. Let me tell you something about going in the black community. We see that in America, we see that I spread of Jamaica now. When the Jamaican artists them get out on the mainstream in the world and the white man start handle them and the white man money start spend. Let me tell you something. There's a campaign out there for tear down the black community. I tell you, it's planned and arranged from a long time in every angle. It's systematic racism. It's written to get a car, to get a house. So when police will lock you up, a different thing. So when you believe say they not try to tear down black people, you know, you're a white man, they say that they not have to give black man gun no more. They not have to shoot black man themselves no more. Just give us gun and we kill ourselves. Why can you believe them they say that? Because we're stupid. We're stupid. We destroy our own self. And we take money just like the crackhead. Just like the crack dealer. Then the crack dealer, the man who make the crack, you know, they're not coming back to the community to sell it. They're not. Where the place where the cocaine grew up. You know, see all them people in a liquor store corner, in a gas station corner, I sell us no dope. It's us black people. Same thing with the music. We take money from some other people and destroy our own kind. And destroy our own music. Must see what I want. And that they want people. I saw they want to look nasty, degrading, dirty with black people. Just mash down the black kind. People don't know what people. Racism coming all different form, people. Systematic, it coming all different form. And the fight and the beat about black people coming all different form, people. Even when you go get a house, people. Even insurance for the car, people. Borderlines are drawn, people. Depend on where you live, people. You understand me? We learn those things. So even at the music, look at the black rap music up and so. Look at the rap stars, you see, reach up enough of them. Are the one who are sing the most nastiest sin thing. You don't even want to run a picnic them. And them a star, and them get highlighted. Why? We make the black people think about gun, think about gang, think about drugs, think about sex, think about all this dancing, and keep it among us. And if you don't have somebody who's smart like Lady Sarah come out and say, "No, stop!" And that's how we're gonna go. I have some people with not have no morals. Come and beat up Lady Sarah. I say, where you used to do that? The woman have remorse. Who better come out and tell us sorry? Not do that. I see one of the gun artists them come out and mash up Jamaica with the gun music. We come out and have remorse too. I see when one of the gun artists them come out and say, "Don't do that, to stop singing gun songs. I was wrong." Lady Sarah come out and she have remorse. So she felt nasty. Eh? And we soon beat up the woman. And morals don't have no morality. No morality. What kind of music are we listening to? Right now, when I hear about a Jamaican female artist that come somewhere, expect some sexual stuff. Expect some blue movie. Expect some porn. Is that the music gone to? And that the music gone to? Every time a female artist come there, have sex and wind up and show on their grind and showing up on the vagina. And what kind of thing that? We not cheap out the thing. Too much mango up on the market. Too much mango is on the market. We not cheap it out. That's why respect is not there for women anymore. We not cheap it out. Too much goddamn mango up on the market. Market fluxy. Mango fluxy and cheap. Just turn over the market. Play like a market basket. Half a market. Play when market done and broke up and too much mango in their basket. Just dash you and take over and go and back a yard. And so they cheap out the thing. When I talk about no respect for woman I get raped and picnic I get raped and all type of stuff I go and boy and them the thing when I support. Firebomb phone up. Fix up on yourself, female. Fix up on yourself. The male them see you with a gun, appear gun and sex. You know what? You know what I'm with? Jamaica music need regulation. We need regulation. Music need regulation at Jamaica. So when we come out dance or something, we don't want to come on no sex show, family. We don't want to come on no audio sex. Because more than me want me youth them listen to me and have sex. Them can't hear me. Me know if I play a blue movie in my room and I pick them and listen that I go on, them can't hear me. So why the youth them are exposed to hearing a song singing nothing about sex? We need the music to be regulated in Jamaica. If that's where we go, we need the regulation. Who is looking out for the kids them? We're going to now weird them man as black people. We're idiots or something. And that they want the black people to look like. If you don't understand, that's how they want to look. I'm say that they want. Why? I'm so happy right that they hand to art it. And that they want out of it. That's how they want to look. That's how they want to look ranchy and nasty. That's how they want to sing about gun. People, I've noticed these songs are not blocked on Facebook and all this stuff, you know, people. Eh? If you say something and do something up and some people then block you. You have to be careful what you write on Facebook and Facebook will block you. You have to be careful what you comment. They will block you. YouTube shut you down. But make a black man sing a song about murdering somebody. See what happen about that. Make them sing about nastiest nothing. See what happen about if them block it. Still out there in the black community. You just think that we must not pay attention to what going on among us. When I hear that or what? And we take money for this trial we own damn self like we have no sense. We say we are destroy ourselves, just like how the man take the coke and the crack from some other people and bring it back into the community among the black people, sell it at the liquor store corner, the gas station, sell it in the community, the crack houses, mash up your own community just because of money. Same thing I go under the music. Give them enough money, man. Yeah, man, tell us something. Yeah, man, tell them suck out this and suck out that. That's what I want, man. Yeah, man, that's what I sell. Suck out this and suck out that, man. Yeah, man, come stab me this and this down in my throat and that. Yeah, man, come put in my hole and all them. Yeah, man, that's sell, man. Degrade in the black community and don't even know. Mash up the black community and don't even know. We don't drunk music. The move from running so. Nasty chicken head music. And that's all you got. Sex cheap. Pum pum cheap. You get pum pum and dime a dozen anyway. We not cheap out the pum pum. When man love so much. We not cheap out the scratches thing. I'm gonna tell you the goddamn truth, woman. We not cheap out the twin on the leg. Nowadays when man see woman them sick do him turn up no more. Because we see so goddamn much. We not cheap it out. I wanna do. We not cheap it out. First time before we could have see woman leg, you know. We used to see below, up over woman knee, you know. It's when a woman expose himself to you. And the most beautiful thing in the world, you know. You couldn't see more than a woman knee, you know, brother. And nowadays, me I see hand down the grind, down in the butt crack, me I see the plumbers crack. All of a sudden, you can't find clothes to put on and cover up. Nasty looking. Eh? As females, as a female artist, and that's not tell little young girl them come to. Eh? Me say, if you ever show now I hear some Jamaican female artists that come there, expect some sexual thing, expect the blue movie, expect the chicken head behavior, expect our sex dolly gonna come there. Sex dolly. Sex dolly. And if I wanna pick the family. So what ladies are say, me agree with you, man. Morality over immorality. It's morality over immorality. Good over evil. And that me the pan. Tear down the music. Look how the reggae music gone. Look how dancehall gone. To the dogs started. Every man on bus call. Music have to go in that category. Music need to be regulated. You need somebody to check why go on in Jamaica. When I look at youth and listen to bus call. You know, see the bus call go on in Jamaica. Artists set the trend. When artists said bleach, everybody goddamn bleach. That was trending in the music. When artists said clocks, everybody are clocks. That's trending in the music. No artist said kill. Gonna bus. Killing is trending. That's why some people get killed. Celebrity don't know them rule and the power them have. Them says sex in the music, dig up me this and dig up me that. Man have no respect for woman. No more. Man a grab off girl off a road and go rape girl. Brother, no respect. And them a thing I don't want. And this I don't want too. And them a thing I don't want. And this music. And this is the right thing to do. Is this the right thing to do? Is this thing right thing to do, family? Ladies is wrong or what? The woman do all of this nastiness. She says she's sorry she start this crap. She says she's sorry she start it. She having remorse. She changed her life now. She says she can't even look on the goddamn tape what she do. And she say all this and she come out and say someone who know that could dirty self. We don't have no morality. We have nothing about herself. Immoral like hell. Immorality is wrong, family. Immorality is wrong. It's been nasty. It's been vulgar. It's been disrespectful. Thief. Killing people. Liar. All about sex. Everything wrong is immorality, family. Morality is good. Morality is good. It's right. So you have good over evil, right and wrong. So I will not beat up the woman. Mr. McLeod, ladies, sir, come up. Mr. I want to do a video long time, but Mr. Look at God, you know. I God push you out, ladies, sir. I God push you out. Thank you. You give me more fuel to the fire. Who best to come out, come tell us? Who best to come out, come tell us? That's why more of the gun artists them come out and come do the same thing too. What if we have remorse? Cause the gun music them done Jamaica. Same way. Listen now, every youth who want to turn artist now. They're not gonna write no good music no more. Just write about how you murder people and how you're the baddest killer. If a man say, boy, me gonna shoot up your yard. And next man say, that not bad yet. Me gonna make that song and that. Me gonna shoot up the whole city. Then the next youth say, ain't that not bad yet? You're not fool gunman. Me gonna shoot up the whole country. And the next man say, oh, no idiot, man. My gun gonna bomb up the globe. And I saw it that get wicked and the gun news can get wicked. No man talk about sex. First time woman talk about sex. Man used to make you have to think in the movie. You don't even write certain way no more. There's a raw. Can't stop in that throat and stab you out and this and that. What the goddamn regulation of a music there? Where the regulation, the music need to be regulated. And we mash up stuff. Is we make law change for us. We make law change. And when we do something wrong, I will see it destroy, or it do something wrong, it commit certain crime, or it take life or something. Then government come in and put law. And we mess up stuff. We have this free music and we have certain regulation. We lose, can't do any little thing. But so now go on with pure nastiness. Pure nastiness. Some of girl now, no shame. What life for those who have a daughter like that or a sister like that? No shame. Me not shame for those who have anybody related to me so, with all the word that come out of some of them out. What do I do oral sex? What am I do oral sex? Nobody need to hear that. Nobody need to hear that. Ain't nothing new about that. You don't want to go be lesbian and homosexual. Go do it hard. You don't have to come out with that. And expect the look of you them follow on family. On the nasty man. Somebody if you tell about yourself, man. Some of the artists in Jamaica, on the nasty artist, on the female artist, when they come out and think say appear pum pum man want. Man, it disgust me sometimes. It disgust me. Every time for the pum pum jump out the road, me even step over it. Me walk round it and take a different road, got me hard. Every time the pum pum jump out the road. But it nasty and disgust me, man. You think a woman can't deal with men so nasty? That's disgusting. I pay sex in on the head. Pay sex. Every time we come perform, I pay sex. When I feel to bring condom come on the show. If I bring condom or what? If I bring rum and boom and condom, when I bring come on the show and I perform, Jamaican artists. Oh, if I bring them. Rum and boom and condom? Nasty, man. Firebomb for that. Big up lady, sir. Me glad you come out, come tell them as an elder. You started it. She have remorse. She's sorry. She's sorry, person who created this. She's sorry. The woman is sorry. The woman is sorry, family. And the woman come out and talk, I'm so not beat her, be good look at dirty immoral self. Eh? Man, I mash up the country. It's so Jamaica state. It's so Jamaica state. Jamaica don't want weird, brother, like wrong is right and right is wrong. Me don't know how I go on out there. Wrong is right and right is wrong. Me country back way. I can't believe some of the music when me hear come out of Jamaica, you know. The youth them not believe. The youth them when they talk about sexual stuff, they don't make you have to think. They might come to nasty, stabbing in your hole and this, and all the female they might come out too. What can I get? Cause dig out me this and dig out me that. When you go when the music nasty, sick stomach, disgusting. Somebody need to start telling on the backside. We need a different category for blue movies. Blue music. Porn music need a different category, Jamaica government. Porn music need a different category and gun music need a different category. We need regulation for the music out there. Expose my youth for some nasty sexual contents. I don't expose my youth to porn. Eh? Me don't listen, me don't watch porn people, but if I have to listen to porn, me not gonna turn it up on me and expose me to them. Them can't even hear it. If I'm having sex in my room, me gonna be quiet as ever because me know me pick them hear all that. Me not expose me youth to that as a father. So why when I go down the road, I hear all that but nonsense I play? Dig out me this, dig out me that, come tear out me this. You don't go for your sort of nastiness. You don't move up. Them then the music, you don't mash up dance hall. Mash up dance hall. You do the dirty nastiness. You make Jamaica look worse than it is. It all add up to the crime. You saw it all work together. It camouflage right in. It just fit right into the crime and the corruption and the slime where go in the country and the raping and everything. What not do? It just fit right into that, not true? It just fit all together with the gun music, bus color. Don't fit all together. Music is powerful. Whatever artists say is gonna be trending. Artists are trendsetters. A lot of them are brand ambassadors. Companies know who to use when they want to send out certain thing to us. Some message is subliminal. Some messages right in the face. These white men, whenever they want to put certain things and keep us down and oppress and make us look like a damn fool and monkey, they put money into certain things. They put money behind this. And black people that come out here and give them what they want and I cheer on the black community. Don't forget that Carlos tell that today. Don't forget that Carlos tell that today. Some people love to see this coming from the black race. They love it. They love when we come to talk about crack. They love it when we come to talk about bus skull. Them sitting there get banned on social media. And when me and you write a little comment, they get banned to backside. I mean, have to be careful what I say before them ban it. Eh? But all this music will say, bus skull, comes dig out me this and dig out Jesus. And we as black people fall right tonight. Just like the goddamn cocaine when we make a grow Colombia. find it way right in the ghetto where it never grew in their country at all. Who bring it there? Not the Colombian. It's a black man. It's one of us. It's one of us always take up the doodoo, our shoes heel, and trail it right among us. Stink up the whole black community. One of us all the time. I'll be here today. We love you know. We love Lady Saw to come out with this. You don't have to be a Christian like Lady Saw family. You don't have to be, me see someone that say, yeah, Christian now and love them and love them. We say you don't know yourself and morals you don't have. And anybody that support these young ladies, the continue like that, they don't love them. They don't love them family. Listen to me. These female artists are not fool, you know. Let me tell you something now. You have to give it to them. These female artists start of this nastiness. They are not fool artists, people. They are very talented. They can write anything, people. They are me say you have to give it to them. Very, very talented. All the female artists, very, very talented. Will take them voice and the talent what God bless them with. Talking shit. Talking a pile of shit. Forgive me language. Something have to come out, people. Coming too hot. May better blow off. May have to let out that. I'm not lie, sorry. People, talking a pile of nonsense. Talking a pile of nonsense. They are very talented. People, they are not kunomono. Them very talented. You have to give it to them. But them take them talent that God bless them with. Come out there, Satan. And some devil thing I go on boy, you know. Some devil thing I go on boy, yeah. And that's what I sell the youth them. Jamaica deserve better than that. Dance all where we come from deserve better than that. Dance all where we come from deserve better than that. Think I look a sound box me sleep on. Eh? Sure. Brother, me love you know. Me just have to say this. Big up Lady Saw to come out come say this. You need the gun artists to come out come have remorse too. Can the gun destroy the youth them? Turn the gun them and youth them and I eat that. One time I say bounty killer come give a look a half remorse. Even if you come out here come say me sorry for this and that. A big man and big woman time now, brother. If you're wrong, brother. You just come out come tell you them down this and down that, brother. The day me see bounty killer do a look song with a look youth named Joshy and a nonsense bounty killer do, brother. As a big artist, you shouldn't go on back down there, so brother. Step out of that dog shit, brother. What I do? When I sit and affect the youth the all killer, you may talk to. Some man are telling the truth, you know, come and free for talk. Come on, come say sorry, man. You come and give a look a half remorse there, me listen, and I say, yeah, killer so like him not grow. And then I say, go with Joshy. God step in a dog dude again. You do a song with a young youth like that. You do something uplifting, brother. A song will live forever, brother. You do a song with a young artist like that. You do something that is going to live forever. Forever, brother. Because nonsense about gun. Jamaica don't want no more gun, brother. Jamaica don't want no more killing. Jamaica don't want no more gun. We don't want no more killing. We don't want no more sex. We don't want no more of that. We don't want no more nakedness. We have to want raping and kidnapping, murder in our country. We don't need no more of that. Uplift the country now. We're not trendsetter. We're not role model. We're not brand ambassador. Anything we don't say sell. If we don't say gun, I pay a gun and sell off at Jamaica. We don't see it. You know so much gun out there? We don't say bus call. We don't say the scholar bus out there. We don't say cut throat. We don't say throat a cut. The same thing when the government are trying to stop and it not promoting on the music. Government has tried to stop man from burn down house and murder people. And that the man who promoting the music. Government has stopped man from cut off man throat and rape. And that the man who promoting the music. Government has stop scamming. And that the man promoting the music. Government has tried to stop bad boy to shoot off at them. And they promote it in the music and the videos. And I may write the law in the family. He said, if I didn't write the law, my country don't have no crap like this. I mean, I put my foot down. You know what's gonna hurt the youth them? And I let it go. That's how the world is. Even over here, so the video game. You see the video game, I trying to youth them in certain things, you know. That's why I see the youth them take up our gun, go shoot up our school. Because every day them sit down and play the video game and I shoot, pay blood. And I make the video game more real. So the youth them shoot, no remorse. So that's why as a man do I look at youth something else, they take back gun, go shoot up the place. And the man will make these things, no sit wrong with it, you know. Grand Theft Auto, and they don't sit wrong with it, you know. The people who are put in power to stop these things, they don't see it in the family. And them see clear hurt the youth. Clear as day like we better. All these things we hear man-made stuff are hurt us. Or we are destroy us. Change, man. We're not good artists, man. Change, man. Lady Saw's right, man. We're not good artists, me say. No disrespect to none of honor. We're not good artists. You all I know. Well, Lady Saw talk, a good, excellent artist. We're not bad. We're not bad. Remember that. Remember me come talk about Spice. Remember I said I know Spice a chat. Spice a chat for my head look like a kaya. Never put up on beer box. You think I know Spice a chat and grab mic? You think enough man can chat like Spice? You think some boy can't go around Spice by stage or she chat like a man? Look here, man. Yo, the talent of God bless you with. Do something better with it, man. Do something better than under crutches. Come stab me. We're not cheap out sex. We're not cheap out the woman. That's why good woman can't get no good man nowadays, because when a good woman look on a good man and say, look here, this is how I want my life, and this is how I want a man to stay home, you know, and a cheater, and this is what I want my life. He say, move from here. You just watching yourself. You think you have this, I have that. In gone to the chicken head down the street or drop her in a second, and him not have no, him nothing. She don't hold him accountable for nothing. Just sex. Sex, man. Relationship not just stop. It's not about sex, man. If you meet somebody on the road, not about sex. Because they one at a time say, who not go sick? Him are sick or you go sick. Who not can have sex? Where you do? Leave him or her and go and find somebody who are giving you sex. Eh? That's what you do? Everything's about sex, brother.
Now Carlos burn a fire upon the female entertainers them. And me also like the fact that Carlos make sure to make them know say, yo, you're not talented. That simply means say, you can write good music, great music, we can last and expand time. Right? Me like that. So, more you talk to me in the comment section right now. Do you agree with what Jamaican Carlos had to say? And here, you can go follow Carlos over there on Facebook at Jamaican Carlos. And you can go check him out on YouTube too. Go support him YouTube channel. Seeing it's Jamaican Carlos on every platform. Go check him out. Show him some support. And make sure say you make him know say you are unstoppable. Send you know if you come give him some support on film platform. See? Let me know what you think about the things Carlos said. And if you don't agree with me, like I said in the beginning, but you know, how the way Minister Hall deliver our message, talk to me in the comment section. See? You know your opinion matters. I'm out.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.